Good morning, dear students. So this is Dr. Kausar. Welcome you back to the class. In the previous class and all we have come across regarding to the quadratic equations, both the factorization method as well as formula method. So today in this class we are going to have a discussion on the form of equation, how to frame the equations that has to be discussed here. So let us will see the first question. So the for calculating the equation itself, the form of an equation is nothing but x square minus m plus n into x plus mn is equals to 0. This is the format or the form of an equation. Here m and n be the roots of the equation. Therefore, the equation is going to become x square minus m plus n into x plus mn equals 0. So these kind of questions are going to be asked for the 2 marks. So let us will see how to frame the equations. So in early things and all, equations will be given. We are going to calculate the value of x. But here, with the numbers given, we need to frame the equation. From an equation whose roots are 4 and minus 6. These are the two roots of the equation given. So let us will have an assumption that m equals 4 and n equals minus 6. So in the frame of the equation, we have to substitute the value of what? M as well as n. So the form of an equation is nothing but x square minus m plus n into x plus mn equals 0. Where there is m, we should substitute 4. Where there is n, we should write minus 6. So x square minus of m means 4 plus n value is minus 6. So we have written in the bracket into x plus, again we should write in bracket m means plus 4, n means minus 6 equals 0. So x square minus of, so 4 plus into minus is minus, we are getting minus 6 here, 4 minus 6 into x plus, so in the bracket itself 6 4s are 24, plus into minus is minus, 6 4s are 24 equals 0. Now we have to open the brackets here. So x square minus, so 4 minus 6 is nothing but minus 2 into x. So plus into minus is minus 24 equals 0. Now the equation is x square minus into minus plus 2 into x is 2x minus 24 equals 0. So when the roots of the equation are given, one number 4, another one number minus 6 means the equation is x square plus 2x minus 24 equals 0. This is how we need to calculate the equation. Next question they have given, from an equation whose roots are, we have to frame an equation whose roots are 3 by 7 and minus 4 by 5. Now the question is given in the form of a fraction. The fraction form only we should substitute in the form. So x square equals, this is just like a formula for the calculation of framing the equation. X square minus of m plus n into x plus mn equals 0. So x square minus m means 3 by 7, n means minus 4 by 5. So plus into minus is going to become minus. So 4 by 5 into x plus mn means 3 by 7 into minus 4 by 5 is the value of n equals 0. Now x square minus of, first we'll have to take LCM. When two fractions are there, to add or subtract we can't able to do directly. So we'll have to take the LCM for 7 and 35. So 7 and 5, the LCM is 35 here. So we should divide with the denominator, multiply with the numerator. 7 5s are 35, 5 into opposite. 7 5s are 35, 5 into 13 is 15. Write it in a bracket minus because it is minus here. Again, 35 has to be divided by 5. The quotient should be multiplied with 4. So 5 7s are 35, 7 into 4 is 28 into x. Now, this is in the bracket. So 4 plus into minus is minus. 4 3s are 12 divided by 7 5s are 35. Directly we can able to multiply. This is equals to 0. Therefore, x square minus of 15 minus 28 is nothing but minus 13 divided by 35x. So plus into minus is minus, 12 divided by 35 equals 0. Now the value is going to become x square. This minus into minus become plus, 13 into x is 13x divided by 35 minus 12 by 35 equals 0. Now what we can able to do means, here we can able to take the LCM for 35 and 1 here. The number is 1. So let us will take the LCM here. So for 135, the LCM is 35. So we have should divide with the 1, multiply with the numerator values. So 135 is 35. 35 into x square is 35x square plus, write it plus. So this 35 should be divided with 35. 35 ones are 35. So it is 1 time 1 into 13x is 13x minus 35 ones are 1 into 12 is 12 equals 0. Now the values are going to become, that is 35x square plus 13x minus 12. Then we are going to do the cross multiplication. That 35 is getting cancelled with 0. 35 into 0 is 0. Therefore, the equation is nothing but 35x square plus 13 minus 12 is equals to 0. This is how we need to calculate the equation when the fraction form is given. See, the third question is also, which is in the form of a fraction. So whose roots are here 1 by 2 as well as 2 by 3. So we are going to substitute the values where there is m means 1 by 2, n means 2 by 3. So x square minus of m plus n into x plus mn equals 0. X square minus, so m means 1 by 2, n means 2 by 3 is substituted in the form into x plus 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 equals 0. Now x square, 2 and 3 we have to take LCM, the LCM is 6. So divide this 6 with the denominators, multiply with the numerators. 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. We have written here plus, because the plus is there in between 1 plus 2. Then 3 2s are 6, 2 into 2 is 4. In the write it in the bracket, then x is there plus. Directly we can able to multiply. 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6 equals 0. Now x square minus 4 plus 3 is nothing but 7 into x becomes 7x divided by 6 plus 2 by x, 6 equals 0. Now we'll have to take LCM for all the three numbers 1, 6 and 6. The LCM will be 6, 1 6 are 6, 6 into x square is 6x square, 6 1s are 6, 1 into 7x is minus 7x, 6 1s are 1 into 2 is plus 2 equals 0. So when we are going to multiply, cross multiply, this 6 into 0 is getting cancelled. Therefore, the equation is remaining of only 6x square minus 7x plus 2 equals 0. So this is how, when the roots of equation are given, how to fill the equations. Thank you.